time ni mo magkagod eh?
Huh?
First time ni mo magkagod?
Yes, this is the first time that I'm kagoring. I never felt this kind of enjoyment. It's the first time.
Are you enjoying?
Yes, I'm enjoying.
What we call that? Kagod-kagod. Kagod-kagod.
Kagod-kagod. And mahal adlaw. Binignit ni? Para binignit o lugo?
Binignit ni Ursula.
What's the English of binignit ka, no?
Oh, halo-halo.
Buguya, ganin mo.
Puro ito halo-halo kay halo-halo. Saging, kamote.
Ito, no?
Yang halo-halo kay nanangan po. Kuan. Halo-halo na ikamote, na isaging.
Basin mo na halo-halo, be, sa luto, no? Kaya ang bugnaw, di man luto.
Yan, napoy sago.
Hot version, no?
Hey!
Hey!
Hey, what's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? My friend?
Yeah, what's wrong with you, man?
Di ba, babae mo na. Yo.
Yo, what's wrong with you, woman?
Man.
Woman! Hey, what's up? Are you foreigner?
You so cute.
Dede, ipatanaw na sa camera. Are you foreigner? Arthur! Are you foreigner? Oh, Black Mamba.
Oh!
Tapos siya ko, Leo, Black Mamba. Leopatra. Leopatra, what's going on? Huh? What's your name? Black Mamba. Yeah, what's wrong with you, man? What are you doing, Mel?
I'm kagoring.
Kagod-kagod, man.
Kagoring the coconut.
Leopatra, what's wrong with you?
The binignit making. Because yesterday there's no coconut.
Yesterday, there's no tomorrow. Tomorrow, have yesterday.
Wow!
Tomorrow comes. Kantay. Yeah. As tomorrow comes. Ayan, no? Si Arthur parang foreigner. Hey, you!